Good afternoon. Today's video is the Spin Clean 45th Anniversary Special Edition. Let's unbox this, see what's in the box, and clean an album or two. This is the same as the regular yellow deluxe edition. Only difference is this one's clear. In the deluxe edition, you get a 32-ounce bottle of the cleaning solution, where in the regular, you get a smaller bottle. The deluxe also gives you additional drying rags. Standard kit only gives you 2. We get 5 extra with the deluxe. This is what you would normally get with the regular kit. And here's our Spin Clean with all the goodies inside. Let's open this up. The deluxe kit also comes with 2 sets of brushes. You have a conductive anti-static brush for cleaning your records. Got the instruction manual, and we have the rollers. You've got the rollers that slide into the 33, you got your 10-inch, you got your 45s. And these rollers have a rubber in the center to grip your record. So now we're going to take our brushes, slide them down into the slot. They're bottomed out. Okay, the instructions say to use distilled water and to pre-wash the drying towels. I'll wash the drying towels later. This is for demonstration. I don't think hurting this $2 album from the flea market is going to require distilled water and the clean drying towels. This album's pretty grody. It's not in a sleeve. It's only in the jacket. So the instructions tell us to fill this with the water to the fill line. It takes a while for the water to run through the brushes to the other side, so just keep watching it till it levels out. Depending upon whether you're going to use the 32-ounce bottle or the 4-ounce bottle makes a difference. If you use the 4-ounce bottle, we're going to use 3 capfuls of this solution versus 1 capful of the 32-ounce. Now we're going to take 3 capfuls of this little bottle and we're going to pour it right over the brushes. Just like so. Okay, in goes the grody album. It's got a lot of friction when you push that in there. You can feel it. Push it until it hits the rollers. 3 turns clockwise, 3 turns counterclockwise. And there we go. If you can see it, none of that cleaning solution is getting on the label. That's pretty amazing. Okay, there's our 3 revolutions the other way. Dry it off, set it aside. Manufacturer says 1 bath should clean 20 to 50 records. The number of records depends on the dirtiness of your records. I've cleaned 22. And that water looks pretty grody. You can see how brown that is. Now if this was still clean, you could put the lid on it and finish cleaning some later. But you never want to leave the brushes in the liquid when you're not using it. Okay, we're done with this batch of 5-year-old bath water. We're going to take the brushes out. We're going to rinse them. Directions say to squeeze out the water. Tells you to set them on top of the unit to dry. We'll clean the tub, then it'll be ready for our next batch. Look how nasty that is. Well, the Spin Clean did me right. The records do fit tightly between those brushes, but after maybe 10 albums, you get the hang of how to spin those in there. In the beginning, it was little fumbling trying to get that to spin, but you'll get yourself a pattern down and they'll spin real nice. I cleaned 22 or 25 of them, and by album 10, they were going pretty good. It's not a speedy process. It's lengthy. It's going to take some time, but it does a really good job. This 32-ounce bottle, a capful is like a 1/4 ounce of fluid. So you're going to get about 6,400 albums cleaned with just this 1 bottle. So if you need to clean vinyl, I highly recommend the Spin Clean. That thing works nice, and there's really no moving parts to break. The only way you're going to break that thing is if you drop it on the floor and you crack it. My next goal is to digitize my vinyl library. That's why I bought the Spin Clean. Got a turntable coming tomorrow. So I got another whole journey in the future. Well, hey, if you got dirty records and you need to clean them, I recommend the Spin Clean. It works very well and it's easy to use. Happy dirty album spinning. Cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic. Thanks for watching. Take care.